Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and welcome back to our comprehensive guide on mastering the timeless charm of farmhouse style in your home. In this extensive video, we are excited to present over 100 inspiring decorating ideas to help you achieve the rustic retreat of your dreams. Whether you are a seasoned farmhouse enthusiast or just beginning to explore this beloved design aesthetic, you will find a wealth of inspiration and practical tips to transform your space into a cozy haven filled with warmth and character. Farmhouse style has become with comfort, simplicity and nostalgia, evoking images of weathered barns and the rustic elegance of country living. With its emphasis of natural materials, vintage finds and timeless appeal. In this video, we'll delve into the key elements of farmhouse style and showcase creative ways to incorporate them into every room of your home. The foundation of farmhouse style lies in its celebration of rustic charm. From weathered wood and distressed finishes to ornate textiles and handcrafted accent. Embracing the imperfections of natural materials is essential to achieving an authentic farmhouse look. We will explore various ways to infuse your space with rustic appeal, including incorporating reclaimed wood accent, from barn doors and exposed beams to furniture and wall paneling. Reclaimed wood adds instant character and warmth to any room. Mix and match textures such as linen, burlap, jute and wood to create visual interest and tactile comfort. Don't be afraid to embrace the patina of age and wear in your decor. Whether it's a vintage rug with faded colors or a chipped ceramic pitcher filled with fresh flowers. At the heart of farmhouse style is the desire to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, where friends and family can gather and unwind. In this chapter, we will explore ways to cultivate a sense of warmth and intimacy of your decor. Use a combination of overhead fixtures, table lamps and candle to create a warm and inviting glow throughout your space. Adding plush textiles and comfortable seating. Invest in comfortable sofas, oversized armchairs, and plush throw blankets to encourage relaxation and lounging. Creating inviting gathering space. Arrange furniture in cozy groupings to conversation and connection, such as around a fireplace or oversized coffee tables. One of the hallmarks of farmhouse style is its eclectic mix and old and new elements, which creates a sense of history and nostalgia. We will explore ways to blend vintage finds with modern pieces for a curated yet approachable look. Explore flea markets, antique shops, and thrift stores for unique vintage finds such as old signs, architectural salvage, and heirloom textiles. Balance the vintage charm of farmhouse decor with modern, personalizing your space with meaningful objects. Display family heirlooms, cherished mementos, and personal photographs to add a sense of history and personality to your home. Farmhouse style is deeply rooted in a connection to the natural world, with an emphasis on bringing the beauty of the outdoors into your home. We will explore ways to incorporate natural elements and botanical motifs into your decor. Fill your home with the sights and scent of the seasons by incorporating fresh flowers, branches, and potted plants into your decor. Embrace the rhythm of the seasons by updating your decor with seasonal accents, such as pumpkins and gourds in the fall, pine cones and evergreen boughs in the winter, and fresh flowers and herbs in the spring and summer. One of the joys of farmhouse style is the opportunity to showcase your personality and interest through curated collection and display. We will explore ways to create personalized galleries that reflect your unique style and passions. With its timeless appeal and endless versatility, farmhouse style offers a wealth of opportunities for creativity and self-expression in home decorating. Whether you are drawn to the simplicity of rustic charm, the warmth of cozy textures, or the nostalgia of vintage finds, there's something comforting and inviting about farmhouse decor that speaks to the soul. I hope this video has inspired you to embark on your own farmhouse journey and create a space that reflects your unique personality and lifestyle. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more home decorating. See you soon in the next video. Till then, happy decorating!